Hey, welcome. Hey, welcome. Hey, welcome. And in the last lecture, we added this extra field called vendor ID. And the reason for this is because in the future, we are going to be able to either approve or reject new vendors. And in order to do this, we have to update this approve to equal true or to equal false. That is either to reject or approve. And in order to achieve what I just said, we need to get hold of that vendor. And in order to get hold of that vendor, we're going to be using the vendor ID. So what we needed to do was to create an extra field called vendor ID. Okay, great. And over here, you can see we do not have that created user. So what we can do is within the Firestore database, or first of all, what we have to do is to log out or sign out. And we can delete this collection and just create a new one. Because this user is currently not complete, okay, over here we can delete vendors, delete. Okay, and now let's create a new one. And this is gonna be vendor at gmail.com, and the password is BEEJAYMAC. And I'm gonna click on sign in. Sign in. The account has been created. Sorry, we just want to create a new account and not log in. Register. And the email is gonna be vendor at gmail.com, and the password BEEJAYMAC, and the confirm password is BEEJAYMAC. And now I'm going to click on register. Okay, the account has been created and it took us to the registration form, right? Okay, and now we can pick a store image, click on this. I think I've not done it for some time now, and that is why it is a bit slow. And I'm going to pick this over and Markley store and sorry, Markley store vendor at gmail.com. Phone number is going to be this, and choose country is going to be Algeria, and choose state. Choose state is going to be this, and choose city is going to be this, and yes. And I'm going to enter a task number and save. Okay, please wait. And I'm going to open this in a new tab to confirm we have that newly created user. And also you can just go with the phone authentication if you want. Okay, it has been created and you can see vendor at gmail.com, and back to the Firebase auth. Sorry, back to the Firestore database. I don't really know what's on me. And vendors. Okay, you can see now we have this over here, and it's going to be similar to what we have. The URD is going to be similar with what we have over here. And you can see we have this field called vendor ID. And in the future, we're going to be able to uh, update this to true or to false based on this vendor ID. And when we create a new user, for sure, the vendor ID is going to be different, right? So that was why we have to do this. Seems really cool. And okay, you can see it is same. and we can update this to true update. And seems good, working as expected. And now we can continue with the web admin panel. And in the next lecture, we're going to be able to either approve or reject new vendor, just like this. And you can see we can click on this to approve, and it is currently approved and approved, and we can click on this to reject. And this is what we're going to be doing in the next section. Okay, sounds good.